you can't boost your intelligence, but I would argue you can boost your cognitive ability in the sense of your ability to use what intelligence you have more intelligently.
IQ, well, that's a rough one because there's no evidence, as far as I can tell, that you can do a damn thing about your IQ. It's always the same answer. It's like you do brain training games, you get better at the game, a lot better at that game. You get slightly better at similar games, but distal games that are still heavily cognitively loaded doesn't affect your performance at all. Zero, none.
First of all, he's going to talk about IQ and the importance of IQ. And the basic lesson he has here is that you can't do anything to improve IQ. And he's right, objectively speaking, you can't improve IQ. In the sense that you can do IQ tests and get better at tests maybe, but your overall IQ score doesn't get up. It just when you do a cognitive test, you get better at that test. But IQ seems to be largely genetically based or predetermined. So while I can agree with what he's saying objectively, and I think this is in a way a pitfall that a lot of psychologists will fall into, researchers will fall into, is to just analyze intelligence this way. But what do we really mean by intelligence? What we really mean by intelligence is our ability to solve problems quickly, to learn, to understand, to make sense of things, and to make a better shot at life. And although our IQ is the speed at which we learn, this is apparently, from what researchers suggest, kind of determined largely by genetics, although I'm pretty sure the standard of education will probably have some effect as well. But we can improve our cognitive ability because there's many different aptitudes required in life, many different types of intelligence. And these we can improve through effort. And what kind of effort? I would say one thing, for example, is to read widely, watch lots of different videos, read many different subjects, learn about history, learn about biology, physiology, psychology, philosophy. If you're here, you're probably already doing this. You're trying to learn, and that is a good thing. So not just learn to pass an exam, but learn to boost your mind and broaden your mind. It's something we used to have years ago more so, was people who were kind of intellectual giants, all-rounders, people who were kind of good at everything. And somebody who has, say, for example, a PhD should be able to talk intelligently about pretty much any subject. They should be extremely well educated. Sadly today, a lot of people who have a PhD can only talk about one very specialized thing. And that's not really boosting your cognitive ability. Another thing we can do is to learn new things, even things which are a bit challenging. That again makes us to do something. And the third thing we can do to boost our cognitive ability is have a go at things, try new things. Every time we try something new and different, we'll learn something. And if you're at a stage in your life where you feel maybe you're stuck, you feel you're not growing, you feel you're not getting anywhere, try do something new, okay? You'd be surprised what we'll do. There's a film was out some years ago about this guy. He decided to say yes to everything. And of course, that would be a terrible idea. But the good point was that some good stuff also happened. So getting stuck in, I feel, is a good way to develop. So you can't boost your intelligence, but I would argue you can boost your cognitive ability in the sense of your ability to use what intelligence you have more intelligently. If you like, please like, subscribe for this video. I'll talk to you next time.